Hey guys, this is Laurent from Fibro Pools. A lot of you ask me what exactly is included with your pools, the shell, and all the equipment that we can provide with our pools. So I just wanted to go over all of it for you guys today, and I hope it answers some of the questions that a few people might have. I just wanted to start it with the shell itself. So you can see on the outside, the jets are already built inside of the pool. You also have the knob to be able to add some air into the jets to really have a jacuzzi-like feeling. From the outside, it looks like this. So you see the plumbing is already done. You got the air line going on top of the coping of the pool, the water line to be able to shoot, and you can see, everything is well built. You got the silicone around it. All our shells, and this is the mark that it has been pre-tested from factory. So we don't deliver anything unless we know that it's gonna work well for you guys. So on the outside of the pool, as you can see, the skimmer is already built in for you guys. You also have right underneath, this is the LED light fitting, okay? So you got this PVC connection, a quick connect for you guys to be able to change the light super efficiently. You also have two bottom drains on all of our pools. Okay, so one right here and one there. Those needs to be connected to the skimmer. That's super easy to figure out, and it's well explained in our installation guide. All our pools, okay, they also have, you see the yellow on it? It's not a fiberglass, that's a 1-inch polyurethane isolant that it's sprayed all around the shells. This usually keeps the water temperature inside of the shell about 8 degrees higher than another fiberglass pool that doesn't have it. And you can see, all the reinforcements that we add all around our shells, okay? That allows you to backfill the pool with no water inside. So basically the way that we install them is super straightforward. We do the excavation. We set about a 6 to 8 inch gravel, number 57, stone bed. You backfill about 1 feet of rocks on all sides. And you don't even need to have water going up at the same time. You don't need to have any type of rebar around the shell, no concrete anchoring in the ground, no foam underneath the pool. It's really just rock, pool, rocks, and you guys are good and ready for landscaping. We also provide all the bits and pieces you will need to install the pool. So for instance, you got the skimmer covers. There's two, because one of them will be used for the dewatering well. We'll go back to that in just a second. We provide a bunch of fittings, glue for the pipes. This is the top cover for the dewatering well. This is the geotextile membrane that you're gonna set on the soil. So whenever you're finished with the excavation, you set that on the bottom of the pool. It's already figured, the dimensions are already figured out regarding the model of the pool that you're gonna have. And it just prevents, so you put the gravel on top and it prevents the gravel from sinking in the ground. A few bits and pieces for the skimmer. For instance, this is an extension. If you guys want to add some type of coping on top of the ledge of the pool, you can just have the extension to make sure that the air knob, is not, can just sit on top of the coping. All the jets for the pool are included. A little piece here to add into the skimmer. There's also a winterizing kit. Okay, so if you guys lived up north, this is what you're gonna need during winter time to make sure that your pool is well winterized. If you guys would choose a LED, it would comes with the transformer. If you guys would like a salt system, it would become pre-installed in a filtration system. We'll get to that, but it also comes with the box, the transformer for your electrician to be able to set it up properly. So our filtration system follows the same plug and play concept. So for instance, you see here you have the pump that is already pre-plumbed and assembled with our cartridge. Here you can see the salt system is already also pre-integrated into the whole thing. You got ins and out if you'd like to add a heat pump to the system. And everything comes pre-mounted on a 3x3 base plate that you can just put on the ground. And let's say between my pool and my filtration system, you guys would only need to do one suction line and one return line, connect the drains together. That's all the plumbing you would need to take care of to get everything going. With the filtration system, we also provide 100 feet of flex pipe, 50 feet of 2-inch that is used for the suction. Okay, so to connect the drains, and from the skimmer to the filtration system, you're gonna use a 2-inch, and then for the return, we use a 1.5-inch pipe. So from the filtration system to the pool, so for the return of the jets, this is the pipe that you're going to use. Also provided with the filtration system is a maintenance kit. Okay, so we provide a leaf net, brush, vacuum, thermometer, a few things to be able to look at the water quality. So that's all provided with the filtration system. So this is a very important piece of equipment that we have in our pools. This is the dewatering well. So this will be installed next to the skimmer, and it allows you to look at the water table at all time. Okay, so a lot of people are talking about pools popping out of the ground. It happens when the groundwater goes higher than the level of the water inside of the pool. So it's very important that you check the groundwater, especially if you're in a high, in a flooded zone, if you got, lots of rain coming in. Look at the groundwater. If it gets a bit too high, you can just put a pump in there and suck it out just to make sure that the groundwater level never goes higher than the water level inside of your pool. All right, so I hope it was helpful. I hope it answers some question that you guys might have. If you didn't get a quote, please feel free to reach out at the information below, and it would be a pleasure to get you guys started on your next pool project. Thank you so much. Take care.